If you're encountering the Snapchat support code SS06, fixing it is straightforward. Let's dive into the solution. First, exit out of the Snapchat account and navigate to your App Store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, look for Snapchat. You want to ensure that it's updated to the latest version. If there's an update available, click on Update. If it's already updated, click on Open. Once updated or opened, try logging in again. If the issue persists, there's an additional step for Android users. Find the Snapchat app on your physical phone. Press and hold on it, then select App Info. Scroll down and find Storage Usage, click on it, then clear the cache. You can also choose to clear data if needed. After clearing the cache, exit out and find Snapchat again. Uninstall the app by clicking on Uninstall. Once uninstalled, reinstall it from the App Store. Log in again, and the issue should be resolved. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily fix the Snapchat support code SS06.